Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can turn on and off the dark mode on your Xiaomi 13 Lite. The first option you have is to go to your drop down menu, swipe to the left, and then you have dark mode here, and then you can simply turn it on. You see the search bar is dark now, and then the dark mode is just enabled. The second option you have is to go to your settings and then go to display, and here you see dark mode is enabled right now, but you can also say to schedule dark mode. You can turn that on and then you can say custom that it should turn on, let's say at 7 p.m. tonight, and then it turns off at 7 in the morning again. You can also say sunset to sunrise, switch to dark mode at sunset and turn it off at sunrise. Then you have more dark mode options. You can say adjust wallpaper to dark mode, adjust text and background automatically, and you have some apps where you can turn on the dark mode. When you click on the app, you get a little warning here. This app might not be displayed properly in dark mode. Turn on dark mode anyway. And you can say turn it on or don't turn on, and then use your phone as normal again. So that's how you can enable and disable the dark mode on your Xiaomi 13 Lite, and these are the settings you can make with it. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.